Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I know y'all want the details about the hair that I'm wearing. Today's video is in partnership with Radswan, and if you have not heard of them, girl, I'm about to put you on, okay? Radswan is a black-owned synthetic wig line. They pride themselves on being the most realistic synthetic wigs on the market. Their wigs literally are so natural and realistic looking, natural parting, natural density, nothing too big or too thin. They have the wig novice in mind, and I wish I knew about this brand long ago when I first started wearing wigs, because girl, the stories that I have. They're here for quick and easy, effortless installation and minimal effort, which I'm a low maintenance girl, okay? So I'm here for that. They are also the creators of the Radgrip, which is basically a true innovation and alternative for gluing your wigs down. All right, so if you are here for wigs and wig styling, then let's dive into the video. Okay, so when I got my wig, it came in this really cute packaging. Y'all see this? Love it, super convenient. I have two wigs and it's just so easy, literally, to just stack them on top of each other and like just store this in my wig collection. The Rad Shape 04 wig, and I have her in the color dark. It's like a dark brown. So take a look at this lace, you guys. It's transparent, which makes it appear so much natural when you're wearing it. The hair feels extremely soft. It's not very shiny, which gives it a more natural look, because natural hair isn't really shiny. We have sheen and more of a luster look than an actual shiny look. And honestly, when the hair is shiny, it just appears a bit more fake, less natural. But this, if you look at it, look at that. Even up close with the lighting, there's literally no shine. It looks extremely natural. The hair is so soft. So it'll put you in mind of like a texture number 4A or 3C. If it's been blown out and like wand curled or flexi rotted. These are premium fibers, okay? So not that cheap plastic hair. You're getting really good quality synthetic hair. And then another thing that I love about this, there is no defined part. Most times with synthetic wigs, you have like that defined part, especially in like natural hair units, where it's like you can only wear it in the middle part and then you have to turn your wig to get it to a side part, and then the shape isn't right. This does not have a defined part, so you can literally part your hair whichever way you want. If you want a bang, if you want a side part, if you want a middle part, it gives you that free option to do whatever style you'd like. I love wigs that give me options, so I don't feel like I'm just, you know, I have to wear this wig this one way. I can wear it in multiple ways. What's so cool about Radswan is they actually have their Radgrip. The Radgrip is basically a solution to keeping your wig in place, laying that lace down so that it does not move at all. That means your lace will stay put, okay? You can pull on it, tug on it, she's not going anywhere. It's a very thin, very soft jersey fabric that universally mimics scalp colors, and it will not damage your edges. I love that this mimics my skin tone. Love that. Let's go ahead and put our wig on. I'm excited. So first of all, can we talk about this elastic band within this synthetic wig? Like most synthetic wigs, I don't think I own any synthetic wig that has this elastic band. And for someone like me who has a smaller head, like I'm on a smaller scale of head sizes, this right here means a lot to me because it's gonna give me a good fit, a more custom fit. So I'm gonna put her on. Before I cut her, I just want to show you guys what she looks like. This is cute. I haven't styled her yet, but I can already tell she's going to be super cute. Okay, so with that Radgrip on, you see I'm moving the wig and she's not going anywhere. Literally, it's keeping the wig in place. Like literally, like I'm trying to push her back. It's so hard to push her back. This is how she looks on the side, so you guys can see just how natural that transparent laces. And you can always take like a foundation that's in your shade to like color it, but I want you to see how she looks just off jump. I am here for this pre-plucked hairline, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pin this back so I can cut this lace. All right, so my lace is cut, and a little bit about this wig. This is the Rad Shape 04 wig. I have her in the color dark brown. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the front. I'm only gonna separate them slightly before I go in. I just wanna see like the type of volume I get if I just slightly separate, not too much. And you know what? I'm gonna use these fingers to kind of like get those roots, add some volume to the roots, because I love that. I love having like a tighter curl at the end and then like a more stretched out look up top. Literally just throwing her to the side, she just gave me so much life. Literally, that is so cute. I am more so separating the roots versus the ends because I kind of like that curl. I'll separate some of them just for a little bit of frizz because I love frizz. But for the most part, I just want to get that root a bit bigger. And you really don't need to do much separating. But what I will say, as I'm doing this, my hands just freely go through this wig. It's extremely good quality. And I love the shape of this wig. You see how cute that is? Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm gonna separate this back part. She don't have to give this way, but she's giving. I like to take a bit of my own hairline. My hair is straight right now, so I don't know how much this is going to match, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just to see, because I just like the way it looks with my own hairline. I always do this, like anytime I'm wearing a wig, I always use my own hairline. See how natural that looks? I just love the volume, the shape of this wig. I love like the free parting option that I have. Like if I want to do her on the side, I could. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm digging this side part. I think that's going to be the look for this wig for me because I just think she's giving too much. It's like a lot of sass. And I just love how natural this texture is to my own texture. How well it just blends and matches. Like literally I can take my hairline out, and especially if I were to curl my hair, oh, game over. If I were to curl my hair and just like pull out a bit of my hair in the front with this, game over. I'm just here for all this volume and this shape, y'all. Like, it's so cute. Okay, so I just thought of something. Like, what if I were to pin her, right? Like, pin her to the side and just wear her full of volume on one side. I'm gonna do that really quick. I just had an idea, and you know when you get an idea, you just have to execute it. So let me see if I have enough bobby pins to actually do this, but I just think this would be so cute. It may not be perfect. I just want to see what the look would look like. Okay, so I didn't have enough bobby pins to do the look the way I wanted to, but you guys get the gist of it. Like, wouldn't that be a cute look if you had this like slicked back to the side like that and all of this volume on one side? I don't know what else to say. She's giving me Khalees. She's giving me Joan Carol Clayton. Okay, like she's just giving so much life and I love her. I love the volume, and I think this length is perfect for me because I like hair that's kind of like in this area right here that kind of frames the face. It's just so cute. The color is perfect. I love it. I don't know what else to say, but we do have another wig to try on, so let's do that. All right, so next we have the Rad Shape 02 wig. She has a more spiral curl, and I have her in the color dark brown. She's about 14 inches curled, and then when you fluff her out, you get another 1.5 inches. And this will put you in the mind of like type 4 hair if it's been blown out and heat styled. Okay, so I have her on, and this is how she looks before any styling, before any cutting of the lace. You can see that transparent lace right here. Very realistic, natural hairline. It's pre-plucked. Very realistic, like baby hair, edges, whatever you want to call them. And I'm excited to style this wig and see what she's going to give us. Like, what kind of life is she going to give us? All right, so the lace is cut, and this is how she's looking so far. Love this natural parting, and you get quite a bit of parting space. I'm literally just taking my fingers and just kind of separating the roots before I go down to the ends of the hair. All right, so now you can see the shape of this wig and how much volume I actually have by finger combing it. And you can see the shape. It has like that C shape that I normally go for this side that I haven't done yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I'm gonna take my pick just to help speed up the process a bit, but I'm not gonna like take it all the way down. I'm just literally fluffing that root. But for me, the bigger the hair, the better. I like the fact that it already has a shape because it'll make it easier for somebody who's like not really like, who's a novice when it comes to shaping hair. you kind of have like a shape to go off of. Like it's already kind of giving me that shape that I want, which is like more volume up top and like a more C and more tapered at the ends. All right, so this is what we have so far. I'm gonna take my scissors to just kind of get some of this hair and frame my face a bit more. All right, you guys, so this is how she looks after a bit of shaping. I basically just shortened the front a little bit because it was kind of heavy for me, and kind of framed my face a bit. I didn't separate all the curls. You guys saw that I used my pick to just kind of get more volume, but I do like having like a thicker root. I really focus on the height of this wig because I love the shape that this wig came in, so it made it so easy for me to kind of just, this is basically the shape that the wig was in. I just kind of refined it more to fit my frame. I am so here for this wig, you guys. Like, I'm so here for this. You guys know I love big hair. This is not a surprise. If you've been following me any amount of time, you know that I love me some big hair. And she's not going anywhere, okay? Because the Radgrip is keeping her in place. She's snug, she's fit. All right, you guys, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you love these wigs from Radswan. I think these are perfect wigs for the everyday girl, for the girl who's maybe a novice when it comes to wig. Maybe, you know, or maybe you're not a novice. Maybe you know a lot about wigs, but you want something different and innovative and you want something natural. I really hope you check them out. I have a coupon code. Use Jessica10 at the checkout and get 10% off site-wide any of these wigs. If I had to choose which one, dang, I can't choose one. I can't. I'm so indecisive when it comes to making decisions, but I just feel like they both give me two different looks. So let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. Be sure to check the description box for all information in regards to the wigs that I tried on today. Give this video a thumbs up, y'all. It really does support and help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, girl, subscribe today. It's free, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.